The land of Saurashtra is blessed by nature with many valuable species of animals, which mainly includes Gir cow, Jafrabadi buffalo, Kathiawadi horse, and Jhalawadi goat. These all animal breeds are worldwide famous. Moreover, the world-famous Asiatic lion has become the pride and identity of Gir forest in Saurashtra region. With the aim of getting higher production from these elite breeds of animals through advanced animal husbandry practices and state-of-the-art treatment and diagnostic facilities to uplift the socio-economic status of farmers of this region, the College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry was established under Junagadh Agricultural University in the year 2008. The college has been constructed over a vast area of 15,000 square meters. Within a short span of time of 3 to 4 years, the college has gone through a tremendous phase of institutional development and has become the first veterinary college of Saurashtra region, which is recognized by Veterinary Council of India, New Delhi.
Government of Gujarat in 2008 established this institute under Junagadh Agriculture University, Junagadh in 2008. Since its establishment, the institute has progressed in leaps and bounds. It includes 17 different departments as per Veterinary Council of India, which also includes an instructional livestock farm complex as well as the teaching veterinary clinical complex. Various departments are having full-fledged ultra-modern equipments, diagnostic facilities as well as student amenities. The staff members of various disciplines, which includes assistant professor, associate professor, professor and farm research scientists, are of high qualification and caliber. The authorities of Government of Gujarat, central government as well as Junagadh Agriculture University has favorably strengthened the institute in academic field, research field as well as extension activities. I am proud to announce today that the college, after its establishment, has undergone various stages of inspection through Veterinary Council of India, and now it has been duly recognized. This institute not only running BBSc and AH undergraduate course but also additionally offers almost 15 subjects for Master in Veterinary Sciences, also the PhD in different disciplines. The very idea of producing this audiovisual documentary about the college is just to boost the mindset as well as to inform the animal welfare activities, individuals, those who are loving animals, and so also the academicians who were eagerly awaiting about the recognition of Veterinary College of the Junagadh. This type of documentary will be a stepping stone and will prove to be a basic document when the history of this college will be written in future. Thank you.
The college has highly qualified and experienced teachers and other technical staff to impart quality education for undergraduate as well as postgraduate studies. A total of 5 ultra-modern classrooms with audio-visual aids are available in the college. Nearly 5,000 books filled the shelves of college library to enrich the knowledge of students for studies and research. The college library has got capacious seating arrangements and photocopy facility too. An advanced computer lab with high-speed internet connectivity and printing facility is available in the college to get the information at fingertips from all over the globe. An ultra-modern and spacious seminar hall and conference rooms are available in the college for periodic arrangements of training and seminars for teachers, students, veterinary officers, and farmers. There are different 17 departments functioning in the college, which can be mainly classified into preclinical departments, clinical departments, and farm complex. Preclinical departments include veterinary anatomy, veterinary physiology and biochemistry, livestock production and management, animal nutrition, animal genetics and breeding, veterinary and animal husbandry extension, livestock products technology. Department of Veterinary Microbiology, Veterinary Pathology, Veterinary Parasitology, and Veterinary Public Health and Epidemiology are concerned with teaching and research of diseases caused by bacteria, virus, and parasites, and the diseases which are transmitted from animals to human and vice versa. Department of Veterinary Pharmacology and Toxicology works for teaching and research of various drug molecules used for treatment of diseased animals and also conducts the study of adverse effects of toxic elements on animal body. Clinical departments include veterinary medicine, veterinary gynecology and obstetrics, and veterinary surgery and radiology. In teaching veterinary clinical complex, all three clinical departments work jointly for diagnosis and treatment of animals by using advanced diagnostic and operative equipments. In TVCC and clinical departments, ultra-modern equipments like sonography machine, advanced operation theater, anesthesia machine, X-ray, computed radiography machine, dental scaler, veterinary patient monitor, C-arm and endoscopy instruments are available. Animals are brought here from treatment from across the length and breadth of the state. Variety of diseases which are routinely treated here. Medicine cases like indigestion, bloat, diarrhea, mastitis, milk fever, trypanosomiasis, babesiosis. Gynecological cases like infertility, repeat breeder, dystocia, uterine torsion, artificial insemination, and various surgical cases like cesarean, fracture repair, surgical interventions of stomach and intestine, eye, ear, and teeth surgeries are routinely conducted over here. Approximately more than 1,000 different kinds of cases are treated over here during the period of a month. The facility of indoor patient ward and 24/7 emergency treatment is available at TVCC. College also provides the accommodation for night stay to the livestock owners. To provide doorstep animal treatment facility to farmers of nearby villages, daily ambulatory services except public holidays are being provided by college. College also organizes clinical camps in collaboration with Animal Husbandry Department, Gram Panchayat, Animal Welfare Societies and Gaushalas. Instructional Livestock Farm Complex, abbreviated as ILFC, of this college is having Kathiawadi horse, Kutchi camel, donkeys, Patanwadi and Marwadi sheep, Jhalawadi, Marwadi and Surti goats, poultry breeds like White Leghorn, RIR, Kadaknath, and some other birds like emu, turkey, ducks are also kept at ILFC. Cattle breeding farm is having the Gir cows and Jafrabadi buffaloes, which are pride of Saurashtra and India. About 529 cows and 282 buffaloes are kept in this farm. Excellent quality of semen doses from proven bulls of Gir and Jafrabadi breeds are supplied throughout the Saurashtra region for conservation of these elite breed. Cattle breeding farm also sells genetically superior Gir and Jafrabadi bulls. 2 boys' hostels with high standards of boarding and lodging facilities are available for the UG and PG students, which can accommodate 170 students, whereas girls students are facilitated in University Girls Hostel. Apart from the studies, inter-semester and inter-university sports events are regularly organized for all over development of students, in which students of this college succeeded at state and national level. The Student Representative Council of this college regularly organizes various cultural events every year, and the talented students have also represented the college at national level cultural competitions. With the motto of "Not me but you," the National Service Scheme Unit of this college regularly conducts number of social activities throughout the year in adopted villages and college campus. It's a matter of pride that the NSS unit of this college has been awarded as Best NSS Unit of the State by Government of Gujarat. The volunteers of this NSS unit represented this college not only at national but also at international level.